With Mercedes-Benz, you deserve the best-in-class performance luxury vehicle there is. And you also deserve world-class Mercedes-Benz service to match. Service that works on your terms, with online scheduling and payment options, nighttime vehicle drop-off, optional at-home pickup and delivery, and at-home service that together bring you convenience and flexibility like never before. You deserve factory-trained diagnostic technicians who are held to the highest of standards as they maintain and repair the most cutting-edge automotive technology there is. You deserve tested and proven genuine Mercedes-Benz parts that never compromise safety or performance, giving you a service experience that can only be delivered by the best. And most of all, your Mercedes-Benz deserves it too. Service by Mercedes-Benz.